Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk with Mr. Hood. Today I'm doing something a little different for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my workflow on character creation. Okay, so get your pens, your papers out, take notes. This is a real high-level overview of something that's open source. You can download and get this software for free. You just have to understand how to install it and make use of it. And you got to have a good machine, okay? So whatever computer you use, you're going to need to have something that's compatible and able to handle this. So I just wanted to show you real quickly how to generate a character and create it in 3D space. You can sculpt, you can mold, and as you see, when we start, we have a cube. Okay, so this is how it starts. So we're going to start with a base, and then a human base, and what we're going to do is go into and start with the face and add, you see what we add, and here we go. All right, so this is the cube. I'm going to go ahead and hide this because I don't really need it. I just started a session. I just went file new and just started by default, and then as you see, we have a cube. And as you see, I have different setup here. This is what is this? This is Blender 4.5.2. Okay, so this is definitely something that I think this will work with 4.2, but you want to update your software. So 4.5.2 LTS. And what I'm using today is, it's an extension, okay? So that's what it is, okay? So I'm going to give you a quick, so if you're using this 3D, you can click this right here, okay? And you can adjust the screen, okay? It's a little handprint right here, so you click it, you drag with the mouse, you gotta adjust the screen. Let me hit the screen. Okay. So what I want to do is, I'm just going to hide the cube. I don't really need it. Okay. Cube is gone. So you're going to go to Preferences over here. Okay. Edit. Come down to Preferences. Okay. When you go to Preferences, it's not an add-on. You can see it's going to pop up here, but you're going to really look at Get Extensions. That's what you're gonna get, and you're gonna look for MPFB. That's what it is. Okay, so if you don't have MPFB, go ahead and install it. Okay, and then come back. All right. Now, after you install it, you're gonna have to configure it. You're also gonna need to create a folder on your desktop or somewhere that you're gonna hold all the data, all the assets, everything you need. Okay, for your character. There's millions of different ways you could do this, but what I'm going to give you basically is an asset pack. You'll be able to go ahead and incorporate all your characters. You see here you have different preferences you can set. The only thing we're going to be focused on right now is MPFD. You go ahead and click this button here, and you see what it says. It's an extension. Okay, it's about 42 megs, and